All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Drop Mine. My name is Steve, and well, let's paint some valve covers, get this finalized so we can actually get the motor in. Let's go. All right, so in case you missed it in the last video, we went ahead and painted the engine bay. Now what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and paint these valve covers and last little miscellaneous pieces to go ahead and get this ball rolling so we can finally put this engine together, finally put the last little bit of pieces and all that stuff, and then finally put it in the car and see what it looks like for once after like 9 years. So let's start tackling that. Okay, so this is the result from last video. We went ahead and painted the engine bay. It's looking a little dusty now because it's been about 2 weeks since I let this paint cure and settle and harden completely. Just so you guys can see, there is a little bit of a difference. I'm showing you guys the ins, outs, the uglies, and the good and the bad. So if you guys have a comment to say that's negative, I really don't give a shit. So anyways, this is the fender. See the difference in color? There is a little slight difference in color. But what am I going to do? I 2K this engine bay. So this is what it is. So now the goal here is basically to get this painted. This time we're not doing 2K. We're actually going to take it to my dad's shop, and he's going to go ahead and he's going to spray it with regular spray. So with that being said, I have, boom, I got my paint, I got my 320, I got all my miscellaneous pieces, I got the timing cover. I went ahead and taped up the timing part where you actually see the timing, so that way when I do paint it, it stays black and is visible for whoever is doing the timing. They could correctly manage timing. I got my these are pieces go under the headlight. I got my random missing trim that I need to paint, and my random door handle that broke off, and plus the AC Stitzer roof spoiler that they stole from me. So I went ahead and got a replica. I didn't get the real thing because I'm not gonna spend an arm and a leg on a roof spoiler. So let's get to paint, basically sanding. So I'm gonna sand these pieces, all this crap with 320, get it ready. And then we're going to send it to my dad's shop, and he's going to do his thing. Not to mention, we're also doing this timing cover, or this valve cover, and then the front timing cover, top and lower. So, yeah, let's do that. All right, so a few tricks of the trade. If you notice here, if you see these little kind of like grooves, per se, these little pinhole type deals, those are low spots that were chips, or there's, in general, low spots. So what you got to do is you got to sand it down the best you can so we could get it to where it's either gone or as reduced as possible, and then the goal is to shoot some primer right over it to go ahead and cover it, and then we're going to sand it again to make it all smooth. And once it's all smooth without imperfections as in divots or cracks or any of that jazz, we go ahead and we're going to shoot the paint. So that's how you could tell the difference between high and low spots. All right, so we're plugging away at it pretty good. I went ahead and did the top, did the bottom time cover, upper and lower. Next up, we're going to sand this. Now for this, I'm actually going to try to leave the 3000 VVTi and all this jazz over here with the Toyota symbol, just because I kind of like it. I was thinking about like grinding it down like I kind of did this front way back when, but no, I'm going to leave that as is, and we'll take it from there. All right, so we went ahead and primered everything white. Basically, essentially, what I did here in the front, I went ahead and grinded off the little tab that's normally on the 2J fronts. And quite frankly, I'm very impressed. I think I did a really good job knocking it out without over sanding there. So the next thing's up. We're gonna wait for this cure. Once this cures after 24 hours, we can come back the next day, wet sand this. After wet sand it, we'll be ready to shoot some paint. I can't wait. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, and it is tomorrow. So all this is officially dry. It's all flat, no more shiny. Basically, we laid it on real thick. Feels actually really good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and wet sand all these pieces here. And then once they're wet sanded and they're ready to go, we're gonna shoot it with some paint. I'm getting excited. Let's go, baby. All right, I got my bucket, got my sandpaper. Let's get going. All right, so went ahead and took care of all of this. Went ahead and wet sanded it all down real good, 320 wet sand. The best we could. I took it nice and easy. I didn't overdo it. I took it nice and slow. Took my time with it, made sure it was good. Just finished wiping it down, so all that's left is for me to go ahead and mix some paint and to finally shoot this thing. So, let's do it. First round is done. We covered a lot with the first round, which is pretty surprising. We're gonna probably hit it with one more and then go and finish this up with the clear. Round 2, let's go. Actually, it looked a little bit lighter now that you did that, or is it just me? All right, after round 3, this is the end result. Went ahead and shot the clear. Has a few little dust particles because lesson learned. Make sure your table is clean and not dusty before you paint, but it is what it is. Maybe I'll wet sand it and polish it. Maybe I won't. I don't know yet. So you already know. That's basically where we're at right now. We got a really good shine going. Looks very, very, very clean. I'm very, very happy with the way it's coming out. So yeah, once it fully cures, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take out, not fully, but once it's a little tacky enough that I could take out the tape, I'm gonna take out the tape here, and that's basically it. So yeah, let's see. Maybe I'll be able to put it on the car before the sundown, maybe not, we shall see. All right, so this is the end result. You see a little speck here and there, because like I said, I didn't clean off the table appropriately. I could wet sand, maybe give it a polish, or even give it another hand of clear, but I'm not going to. It just is what it is. But this is kind of where I'm at now. I'm really happy with this result. It could be better, but I actually really like it. I could see myself. All right, we got it on the motor. Jesus. All I gotta say is I'm one happy man. Look at this thing. Look at that. Look at that. I couldn't be happier, honestly. It's a little dusty right now, but I couldn't be happier. It's a dream come true. Oh my God, it's a dream come true. Look at this. Bro, look at this. Look at this. I did this. I painted it. I put it together. I'm in the middle putting it together. I'm putting it in the car by myself. Nobody's helping me. I haven't had a lick of help. If anything, everything's been hindering instead of helping. Look at me now. Look. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Talk about some build motivation, man. This is it. This is it. This is build motivation right here. This is build motivation right here. Right here. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Bro. Huh. I can't be any happier. I'm the fucking happiest man. Excuse me. I'm the happiest man in the life. I'm the happiest man of life. Bro, look at that. Oh. I am beyond blessed right now, bro. I thank God every day. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Even through the trials, bro. Everything. I thank God. God's the best. Bro, this is amazing. I can't believe I'm able to do this. Here I'm doing it. Bro, if I could do it, you could do it. Everybody can. Anybody can. You have to put your mind to it. You can do it. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. I never thought in a million years, man. I just finished getting emotional. I had to turn off the camera. This is the best, bro. This is the best. This is the best. I've been building this car in the remembrance of my grandma, and here we are doing it, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna leave it here. This is the teaser for the next video. I'm gonna put the rest together. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. Follow the channel. The build's going. It's gonna happen. Let's go. I'm happy. This is sick. It's gonna go in the E46. We're gonna get it running. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. With that being said, like I said, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna force it to happen, baby. Let's go. Drop Miami, baby.